What's up, guys? Welcome back to another PvZ Heroes video. Now we are going to be doing another pack opening. I'm being the 23. But yeah, please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Because, sorry I didn't do another part 2. If I did a part 2, this would have been part 3. Because I bought some gems and did another one of these. Got a second Supernova Gargantuar. Yeah, so I'm going to be pausing it so I can buy this. I'll see you guys in just a second. Okay, so now, getting started with that. Alright, here we go. 23 packs. I've never done this many premium packs because I was doing the galactic ones. Here we go. I really want Grass Knuckles out of this. See some news. Yeah, I've never opened this many premium packs. Yeah. Alright. Some decent stuff, but these are just uncommons. Gravebuster. Another Smackademia. Shroom for 2. Petalmorphosis. Podfather. These are some good cards. 2 of the guys that signed us a Smashing Gargantuar. It's all really good stuff. Night Living Dead. I want one of them. Super rares. Oh, that. Be something good. Come on. Legendary. Walnut Bowling. Alright. Wintermelon. Cornucopia. Wannabe Hero. Oh, darn, no hero. It's okay. But Wintermelon. Not too bad. I'd say that was decent. Well, that's pretty much it. I've got Wintermelon. Walnut Bowling. I'll get 315 spark. I'll take it. Decent stuff. I got 700 spark. What do you do again? Oh. When the search of zombie freeze, that's all I get. Slash damage 4. How many new legends I get? Are you getting any new legends for zombies? Wannabe Hero. I can use that in Rust Bolt. It's perfect. Although I don't play Rust Bolt. If I had the Smash, I could use them in Smash. Pretty productive, I think. For a part 2. Cornucopia. Not something I can use for Solar Flare. And I could use it in Walnut. That's actually really perfect. I better get started making the Walnut. Yeah, we need to take out of here. That's what I'm rolling at the moment. Yes. Cosmic Flower should go out. Because I've got Cornucopia. Oh, I have Chomper too. And I have Disco Johnny. What do you do? This is looking pretty good. So is there something else that I got more of? Guess I could put in Magnifying Grass. But yeah, I have another Astro Beer. Because I got enough sparks from the last one. The last pack I did. To be able to craft another one. Thinking, who should I guess we'll take out a Cosmic Johnny and put in. Not bad. As far as any huge win streak. But yeah, that's it. I'll work on other decks with the new stuff in the next video. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this pack opening. I'll see you guys next time.